Malaysia's top court has declared unconstitutional more than a dozen Islamic laws enacted by the state of Kelantan. These include criminalising sodomy, incest and the desecration of places of worship. The 8-1 decision is seen as a landmark move, and it could affect similar Sharia laws in other parts of the Muslim-majority country. CNA's Afifah Ariffin with this report.
Hundreds of PAS supporters gathered outside the federal court in Putrajaya on Friday morning as the 9-member bench of the Apex Court declared 16 Sharia laws in Kelantan's criminal code as void and invalid. Chief Justice Tengku Maimun Tuan Mat, who delivered the judgment, said the northeastern state had no authority to enact the laws, as the constitution states that only Parliament can do so. The case, which was brought to court by 2 Kelantanese women, had sparked uproar among some conservative Muslim groups who fear the challenge may weaken Islam and the Sharia courts. Malaysia has a dual-track legal system with Islamic criminal and family laws applicable to Muslims running alongside secular laws. Islamic laws or Sharia laws are enacted by state legislatures, while secular laws are passed by Malaysia's parliament. As such, the Chief Justice stressed that the case had nothing to do with the position of Islam in the country and only looked at whether the Kelantan legislature had acted beyond its powers.
Saya bagi pihak kerajaan negeri Kelantan dan juga mewakili rakyat negeri Kelantan rasa sangat kecewa dengan keputusan yang telah dibuat, dan kita akan secepat mungkin seek an audience with the Sultan of Kelantan just to inform the Tuanku about the decision.
Kelantan is ruled by the Islamic party PAS, who has advocated for stricter Islamic laws, especially within their states. PAS, which is part of the opposition Perikatan Nasional coalition, is the party with the most number of seats in parliament and also rules other states like Kedah and Terengganu. The party's Secretary General Taqiyuddin Hassan referred to the decision as a Black Friday for Sharia laws and expressed concern that it could affect the Islamic laws in other states across Malaysia. He added that the Islamic Party plans to submit a memorandum to the King on the matter on behalf of Muslims in the country. Some analysts suggest that the issue has been politicized by opposition coalition Perikatan Nasional, which aims to leverage it to gain greater support from the Malay Muslim majority. PN leaders had urged Muslims to defend the Sharia law, which they claim is under threat. Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim, in responding to this, said that the act by the opposition to politicize the issue was a bid to portray his Madani government as opposing Islam. This even though the 2 women who filed the challenge in 2022 when PN was in power. PM Anwar added that his government had nothing to do with the federal court decision, as the country's judiciary is independent of executive power. Following the judgment, Malaysia's Religious Affairs Minister Muhammad Naim Mokhtar said the government's Islamic authorities would take immediate steps to strengthen Sharia courts, affirming that the Islamic laws remain protected by the Constitution. Afifah Ariffin, CNA, Kuala Lumpur.